In this video, I'm going to show you how to build a sleek website like this for your shoe company, for your bag company, or whatever thing you sell. I did all of this with Windsurf AI. I didn't write a single code. The AI generated all the code for me, the index.html, the scripts.js, and the styles.js. It even created a server for me to use, package.json, Windsurf preview. Now in this video, you're going to see step-by-step process how I instructed. You'd see some failures, you see some issues, tiny issues that you'd have along the line. And I hope this is going to be a comprehensive experience that shows you what you can get done in a few minutes. By the way, I did all of this in less than 10 minutes. And I did it on a free software. Windsurf is not free altogether, but I did everything you see here with the free package plan. And I've been going at it for about 30 minutes right now. And it's still not maxed out. So watch till the end and you'll be amazed what you can do for yourself. In this video, I'm going to show you how to do vibe coding with Windsurf AI. If you don't know what Windsurf AI is, Windsurf AI is an IDE like your Visual Studio Code, but has an agentic property, so which means you can actually tell it to do whatever you want and then it's going to work. Here's Windsurf page. If you don't have Windsurf installed on your computer, just go to windsurfai.org and then download the IDE. Right, and once you do, you install it and then you'll be greeted with this page. Now on this page, let's do a very simple project. So I'm guessing we should do build me a simple website for my shoe company, right? So we'll say, let's just see what it works, right? And then press enter. If really I'm not going to do anything all through, we're about to find out. So let's just see. So it's generating. It's trying to create a directory now. So it's created a directory in Richard Black's Cascade Project Shoe Company website. In this tutorial, I'm not going to do anything. I'm just going to accept all that it brings, and we're going to see exactly what it can bring out by itself. And then if we don't like it, we'll make some iterations. So let's do it. So it's created a folder now, right? It's created a folder called Shoe Company. And right now it's generating the index.html all by itself. I'm not doing anything. I'm not writing any code. Index.html right now is generating a few more seconds, so we might skip a bit so that this video doesn't get too long. Alright, on the right side you can see it's already generating the code. Now this is the code for the index.html. I didn't write any of these codes, so that's one of the things it does. On the one side here you can code, but it codes by itself, and the other end here it shows you what it's done. Very soon you'll see it also pop up a page where you can see exactly the preview of your website, so you can actually iterate. You can actually give commands on the right side and then see what it's doing on the left side. So currently now it's generating the styles.css. Up until this point I have written no code, right? But this is not a no code solution, as you will see. Now the styles.css files are already been created. I assume because I said build me a simple website for my shoe company, that's why it's using styles.css. Otherwise I would have wanted it to use Tailwind CSS or React. But then if we said it's simple, then it's definitely going to use HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. So now it's built the JavaScript for us for the functionality, and then let's see what next is saying. Now it's saying let me start a simple web server to preview the website. Let's just say accept. Right now I'm not going to do anything. I'm just going to hit accept and watch what it does. So say Python not found. It's going to want to do a preview, but I suspect that nothing is going to work here. So but let it build a preview first. So now it's asked us for a preview. So now we have a website, right? Very simple, right? Now let me see, cascading projects. Let me be sure it's my website here. All right, so let's just do some iterations to this and let's see what we would have, right? So first and foremost, let's say I want my website with a dark background. So let's see what it's going to do. So I'll modify the website to have a dark theme. So it's going to edit the styles.css, and soon enough we should see it populate on the screen, if I'm getting anything right. As far as I'm concerned, this is the easiest way to build a website that I've ever seen. This is so wonderful. So let's just see. The website background is still white. and I don't see any shoes in this preview. What's going on? See, now I'm talking to you like a normal human being, right? All right, so let's see what it does. Okay, so now it has detected that the Python is not loading the server properly. So right now it's implementing a Node.js server. That's one of the good things about it. Ideally now you'd have gone the long way, building all of these things by yourself. Even if you're using ChatGPT, you're still going to have to create all of these files. Let me show you something quickly. It's already created a server.js where it's going to use to populate that. And then it already adds that to package.json, this server.js thingy and all of that. I suspect that this is not my page. For instance, I already have a couple other projects going on with this same page. So I assume now that what's really going on is that it's giving me somebody else's code. Or well, another project's code. It's all mine anyway. So let's just see. When it's done, we'll see exactly what it's doing. So now that it's created a different server, I think what it's doing right now is creating the styles.css. Just so that it can know to use the new server, right? So let's just see. Now let's start Node.js server. So it's about to start the Node.js server right now. So we're going to accept Node.js as the server. So server is running at localhost 88,000. So let's open the preview and see. By now, my shoe box should be showing, but now it tells me no file found. Alright, so let's go to that port first and then see what the heck's going on. So copy this and then paste this in here and see if my shoe. Let's first test what it's saying. So copy this, go back here and paste it in there and see if, alright, so you see my shoes are here. Right, so for some wild purpose it's not generating my shoes on Windsurf itself. It's generating my shoes website on another platform. Oh, look at my shoes, this is so pretty. Can you see that? This is so awesome. Like, it's even got the shoes. I mean, it's got me some shoes and stuff like that. This is really nice. All right, so let's just continue iterating. Right, let's go back here. I want a dark theme. Currently it's white. So I want a dark theme. What I mean by that is this is too white. Most shoe companies are not supposed to be this white. Nike obviously is not this white. So, and if I'm supposed to be competing with Nike, and trust me, I'm supposed to have a better website than Nike. I'm just kidding. Anyways, that's pretty much it. This is really good, to be honest with you. And I would have thought about this myself, but then this is really good. So let's go back, see what it's doing. It's editing the styles of CSS right now to make it black. Now, if it doesn't give me the black theme, then we have come to. Alright, so it gives me a black theme. Look at that. It's awesome. Right, so this is so beautiful. Look at this. But we run into a couple of issues. The website actually lags as I'm scrolling it up and scrolling it down. But these are minor issues that have to do with the renderings that you can always fix. But as far as I'm concerned, this is beautiful. And this is something to really try. Windsurf is free, as far as I'm concerned. All the things I've generated so far is absolutely free, and you can actually try this on your own. There's a bit of lag issues, but once you get a hang of it, then you build your own things about it. I don't want this video to be too long. In the next video, I'm going to show you some more things that you can build with Windsurf. But till then, I hope this is helpful. If it has, I want you to hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, turn on the notification bell, and I'll see you in another video. Bye. Take care.